Choosing the right replacement doors is an important decision for homeowners in Metairie. With a climate that includes heat, humidity, and occasional severe weather, doors must provide more than just visual appeal. They need to offer durability, energy efficiency, and reliable protection. By understanding what to look for, homeowners can select replacement doors that enhance comfort, improve security, and add long-term value to their property. One of the first factors to consider is material selection. The material of your door plays a major role in how well it performs in Metairie's climate. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice because they resist moisture, do not warp, and require minimal maintenance. Steel doors are another strong option, offering excellent durability and security. While wood doors provide a classic look, they may require more upkeep due to humidity and weather exposure. Choosing the right material ensures your door will last and maintain its appearance over time. Energy efficiency is another key consideration. In Metairie, where temperatures can stay high for much of the year, doors should help keep cool air inside and hot air outside. Look for replacement doors with insulated cores and tight weather seals. These features reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Energy-efficient doors can also lower utility bills by reducing the workload on your cooling system. The design and style of the door should complement your home's architecture. Replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, from traditional panel designs to modern glass options. Choosing a design that matches your home's exterior enhances curb appeal and creates a cohesive look. Color and finish also play a role, allowing homeowners to personalize their doors while maintaining a polished appearance. Glass features are another important aspect to consider. Many doors include glass panels that allow natural light to enter the home. In Metairie, it's important to choose glass options that balance light and energy efficiency. Multi-pane glass with protective coatings can help reduce heat gain while still providing brightness. Decorative glass can also add character and style without compromising performance. Security is a top priority for any homeowner. Replacement doors should include strong locking systems and durable construction to provide reliable protection. Reinforced frames and high-quality hardware help ensure that the door remains secure over time. Choosing a door with built-in security features gives homeowners peace of mind while maintaining convenience and accessibility. Weather resistance is especially important in Metairie, where storms and humidity can affect exterior features. Replacement doors should be designed to withstand moisture, wind, and temperature changes. Proper sealing prevents water from entering the home, while durable materials resist damage from environmental conditions. A weather-resistant door helps protect both the interior and structural integrity of the home. Proper installation is just as important as the door itself. Even the best replacement door will not perform well if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the door is aligned, sealed, and fitted properly within the frame. This prevents air leaks, improves energy efficiency, and ensures smooth operation. Investing in expert installation helps maximize the benefits of your new door. Maintenance requirements should also be considered when choosing replacement doors. Some materials require more upkeep than others, and selecting a low-maintenance option can save time and effort. Fiberglass and steel doors typically require minimal care, while wood doors may need regular refinishing to maintain their appearance. Budget is another factor to keep in mind. While it may be tempting to choose the lowest cost option, investing in a high-quality replacement door often provides better long-term value. Durable materials, energy-efficient features, and professional installation can reduce maintenance and energy costs over time, making the investment worthwhile. In conclusion, choosing the best replacement doors in Metairie involves balancing durability, energy efficiency, style, and functionality. By focusing on high-quality materials, proper insulation, weather resistance, and professional installation, homeowners can select doors that perform well in local conditions while enhancing the look and comfort of their home. With the right choice, replacement doors become a valuable upgrade that provides lasting benefits for years to come.